transforming your custom apparel business, t-shirt brand, or DIY merch studio into a high-efficiency production hub without dealing with constant printhead clogs or tedious manual maintenance usually means transitioning to an advanced, automated direct-to-film ecosystem. The DXZ 2026 A4 DTF printer with roll feeder and oven, XP600 dual printhead edition, redefines desktop apparel printing by combining lightning-fast output speeds, continuous roll-fed automation, and robust white ink management. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its dual XP600 printhead architecture, delivering twice the printing speed of legacy L1800 and L805 models, paired with a built-in automated white ink stirring and circulation system. Instead of struggling with routine nozzle clogging, pigment sedimentation, or frequent manual cleaning cycles that halt production, this system constantly agitates and recirculates white ink to ensure crisp, opaque transfers and smooth, reliable operation. Performance and everyday versatility streamline custom t-shirt orders, hoodies, hats, and diverse fabric types without the hassle of weeding or vinyl cutting. Outfitted with a convenient roll feeder for continuous printing alongside a dedicated companion curing oven, the system handles high-volume transfers seamlessly in a compact footprint. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by user-friendly software controls, precision color reproduction on both dark and light garments, and exceptional value of 2 years of free ink included to keep your operating overhead exceptionally low right out of the box. Things to consider before you buy workspace setup for printer and oven. While the A4 footprint is much more compact than industrial-wide format printers, you will still need stable workbench space to accommodate both the roll-fed printer unit and the separate powder curing oven. Routine operational habits. DTF printing relies on water-based textile inks. Maintaining consistent print schedules and following a simple weekly maintenance routine will keep your dual XP600 printheads running at peak performance. So, who is this really for? This professional A4 DTF printer and oven bundle is an absolute home run for apparel entrepreneurs, home-based t-shirt shop owners, and DIY creators who want double the speed of traditional hobby printers, hassle-free white ink circulation, roll-fed convenience, and 2 full years of included ink. If you are looking for a basic desktop sublimation printer for mugs and polyester blanks, or a standard vinyl cutter, a different style of customization equipment will better match your product catalog. Is it worth the money? If you value double the printing speed of older hobby models, continuous roll-fed capability, built-in white ink stirring to prevent clogs, an included curing oven, and 2 years of free ink, it is a premier, business-accelerating investment for launching or scaling your custom apparel enterprise.